If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
So you may have rhubarb growing in your garden on your allotment in a container like we have here, and you're starting to see very unusual growths happening. Well, these, if left alone, will become a seed pod. They'll grow about this high and flower off, and you can actually save seeds. But we don't want to do that. We want to put the energy into the leaf production, much like on a garlic, you trim the scape off on the hard neck in order to energize more energy into the bulb development rather than seed production. So what we want to do here is we want to take and cut these back. You can see here I've got a leaf here that's growing, so I don't want to go all the way down to the base. I do want to take and cut it about a 45-degree angle. Water gets in that little hole there, not going to hurt anything. We can throw this in the compost pile. Same thing here. I've got a little more, I've got a couple of things, seed pods coming out of the junction here, and I don't want to damage this leaf because that can be, the stem is what we're looking for. The leaf is actually poisonous, so we don't want to eat the leaf, but we want to give as much energy and get this developed. Even if this is a small amount, it's something. And I don't see anything else developing. Now over on this container here, we've got it right here. We've got a little 15-gallon container, and I'm going to just snip off that there and throw that in the compost. So why does this occur? It can be a number of factors. One, it could be the age of the plant. Typically rhubarb will last in a general time frame of 7 to 15 years. Some people I know on allotments over in the UK have had it for many more years than that, and they can get the size of a small car in diameter. This can also be because of stress, not enough fertilizer, not enough water, and it can just be climaterial issues as well. So it doesn't mean it's detrimental to the plant. We just need to assist the plant to get rid of those seed pods in order to put more energy into the container, into the plant that's in our container, or if you have it in the ground. Now, again, we can make about 2 different harvests off this plant, but at some point we do want to divide the plant if it's in a container like this. And these containers stay out year-round. The recommendations, if you follow online how to grow rhubarb in containers, these were started from seed about 4 or 5 years ago. They recommend bringing the container into a controlled, like a shed or a garage that's unclimatized, but to keep it out of harsh weather. These stay out year-round, and you can see that they have done very, very well. And there's many things you can do with rhubarb besides rhubarb strawberry pie or rhubarb pie. I've seen recommendations where you can take the stem, cut it out, roll it in honey and a sugar mixture, and then dehydrate it. And it's supposed to be kind of more like a piece of candy than anything else. But rhubarb, taking care of it, maintaining it, it can provide you with a harvest with minimal to no amount of work for many years to come.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.